Welcome to Rheidon Tech PC200 Pro Series, your portable EV charger built for two power levels, 7.4 kilowatts and 11 kilowatts. Before you charge, there's one thing you need to get right, the adapter. Let's walk through it together. Your PC200 Pro uses adapters to fit different outlet types. Grab the one that matches your outlet. Connecting the adapter is straightforward, but alignment is key. You'll notice an arrow mark on both ends. Line up the two arrows, then push them together until you feel it snap fully into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. To remove the adapter, first unplug from the wall, then press and hold the release button. Don't let go, and while holding it down, pull the two ends apart. That's it. That's everything you need to know about adapters. You're ready to charge. Check the next chapter for more.